If you don't have any top tier ones, create some in SEO Neo, then use those. When you create the cloud sites, remember, that's a brand tier link. Then you got to create a post about the service that you want to rank, like metal roofing. You grab the URL to that post for each cloud. So Amazon, Bunny, IBM, Backblaze, Google. You grab each one, and those are top tier ones for that service. And you use those to run the RD 100 to. Do that, in the next day or two. And the next time we see each other, you should be saying, yo, Mike, appreciate y'all.